off the road right again, please. And then roundabout 10, right please, 10, right. So traffic light straight ahead, okay, and at the roundabout again straight, okay. Roundabout straight ahead, second exit. And then at the second set of traffic lights, we're going to turn right, okay? We're going to turn right. Easy. Yeah. Then when you're on the bus straight. And at the next roundabout, going straight ahead again, second exit, okay? Straight ahead, second exit. Okay, go back to the left. Okay, easy, easy, easy. Easy, just take it easy. Then roundabout, straight ahead again, okay? So which
Straight
lane? Yeah, straight ahead, second exit. Okay? Keep more towards left.
Straight in.
Yeah.
This way?
No.
Mm.
Keep more towards left, I said.
Yeah.
Okay? So keep left. When I say keep left, just position left, okay?
This way?
Yes. Yeah, speed up. That's it. And then third. Good. First exit left again. Okay, look into mirror, signal left. Yeah, keep left. Don't worry about bus stop. Okay. Yeah. We're supposed to go to first exit, right?
Mm.
So what was the instruction? First exit left, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Which exit did you take? You signal left.
Yeah.
You signal left, but then
I
you
think
took
second, yeah.
second exit. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you took second exit. Okay. Yeah. No, look. if you do this, yeah. If you do this, it is going to be a serious fault. Yeah.
One?
Yeah, because you signal left.
Yeah.
You're telling all the people that you're turning left,
Left, yeah.
but then you went straight.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So go slow. First exit left, please. First exit left. Okay, slow down. Signal left. Yeah. Is he coming? No, it's not. Continue. It's not signaling. Look, if they are not coming, we can't. Okay, slow down. Slow down. Keep left. Keep left. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah. Wait. Stop. Okay. You didn't see this sign, is it?
Give away.
Yeah. Look, if the car is not signaling, that means they're going straight. So we don't have to wait for them,
Yeah.
okay? Because car behind is waiting. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So you need to take this decision quite quickly. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy. Then keep right. Continue. Keep right. You don't need to signal. Just keep right. Continue. Yeah. Keep. Okay. Easy. Get back to the left. And then continue. Okay? So at the mini roundabout, we're going straight. Mini roundabout, we're going straight. Okay? So go slow. The road markings are a bit faded. Okay? So this is a mini roundabout. Go. Okay. Slide left. Yeah. Yeah. Continue. Yeah. Keep going. Okay, and at the roundabout, going straight ahead, second exit.